Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man is made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, skin and bone. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You know, 16 guns, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper and dead. Saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my suit to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up the shovel and walked to the mine. I rode 16 tons from Numberland to and the star boss said, Bella, bless my soul, you know, 16 tons. And what do you get? Another day older and deeper and dead. Saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my suit to the company store. If you see me come, you better step aside. A lot of men didn't and a lot of men died. One fifth of mine, the other still live. The right one don't get you, then the left for one wheel. You know, 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper and dead. Saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my suit to the company store. I was born one morning and it was drizzling rain. A fighting trouble on my middle name. I was raised in a king brick. I know mama line, you know how to make me walk the line. You know, 16 guns, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper and dead. Saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.